All right, round 4, you guys.
I see the sign.
Okay. Oh my goodness, little 2-seater. I'm more into automatic, so. Yo, you guys.
Hey, Dad.
Nice.
It's a 28.
Sweet.
Good. We really like the cars.
That bad boy. Oh yeah. 1978 transmission, Trans Am. Look at that bad boy. Charity show, burnout contest, charities. Yeah, charity. It's always a charity, right? Anonymous.
It's still nice though, man.
Charity.
Yep. Quick. Yeah, it's right there.
That one. There you go, look at that bad boy. So many cars, so little time, so I mean, I'm gonna miss a lot, but you get the point. A lot of these are just basic Corvettes. Get into something like this. It's an older Corvette, like this one. Oh yeah.
We are?
Right here, Falcon. 4-door. Yeah. 1966 Chevy. Mm-hmm. That bad boy. We got some older cars over here coming. The old classic Buick. Yep. The wagon here. It's too bad I've only seen one Javelin. Oh yeah. He's my favorite. Well, this got to be a 70, I think, or I'm 72. In the vicinity of it. Love these. These are classic. It's basic. I love these convertibles. I'd love to have one of these cars. Another one. I'd love to have a convertible collection. There's one in Iowa, I guess. So. There you go. Here's a Mustang. Convertible.
And that's old.
Look at that bad boy, huh? Oh. Yeah, look, you got the 8-track in there. Classic. It's got about 10% left, so. Wheelbarrow. Oh my goodness. A little scratch right there. But, oh, the classic. Just the way it looks, man. That's classic. Cutlass. Yeah, the old school.
Body's monetized?
Yeah, my body's monetized. Always monetized, and it's this. It's Bitch Boy Radio. Bitch, please, and I mean, bitch, please.
Hey, I'm gonna look.
Please do. Hella nice. There you go, huh? 1958 Impel. Yeah, they see the turret. That's right. The body's always monetized. Getting close and close to the end here, so ain't much left. 5500, that'd be a fun vehicle to ride. 283, it'd be fun. 4-door, be a fun vehicle. Paint it like a candy apple red. Nice. Runs great. Chevy Impala, 283. Be fun. Be a fun car. There you go. Go over here. Look at this bad boy. See, you go down here. There's more down there. You walk and walk and walk. That bad boy. Mercury, 1950. What? It's too small.
You're taking a video.
No. Here, you can just go ahead. Say it now. Say hello. There you go. See, it's always women, for some reason, they get emotional when they see a video camera. I don't know why. They do all the time. Oh. Told some chick I was scouting for movies and she got all excited. It's like, yeah, okay. We got some monies over here. If we can get over here before the camera goes up. Some over here, Ford Torino, I think it is. These are well worth it right here. Look at these bad boys. Oh, look at that big bad boy. I think that's a Monte Carlo. Look how big that sucker is. It's a Gran Torino. 2% left, so not much left. 77. Monte Carlo out of 75. Yep, good old senior. There he is. Yep. Remember the Intimidator. Damn right. Look how big these trunks are. Put a body in there. Oh yeah, the Gran Torino. I don't know what I had for a while. There was a hubcaps, original. What do you guys think, huh? Good movie, Gran Torino. What year is it? Look at that engine. It's well worth the end of the video right here. 73. Rare luxury. Yep. Not much left, 1%. We'll cruise over here. I'll get that Mustang over here. Before it goes out on me. Got a drag car. Drag queen? That bad boy, huh? Holy moly. $52,000 they want for it. 651-274-0211. Boss. Nice. Oh my goodness. And then we have the GTO over here. We still got time.